Hey, what is up guys, Alex here. Today we are looking at the Rook EMF meter with sound from Ghost Stop. I'm going to check it out, show you how it works. It's really simple. I wanted to read something off of their website real quick. The Rook offers a high resolution, highly sensitive reading to alert you to much smaller changes in the environment with a sound alert to indicate proximity. The Rook allows you to see and hear even small fluctuations in energy change. The Rook's dual light panel indicates energy change. These lights will pulse and get brighter to indicate fractional changes in strength. And it's got red lighting to preserve night vision, fortified from interference. This is another thing I wanted to read. As you may know, many EMF meters are broadly affected by frequencies such as those produced by radios, walkie-talkies, and cell phones. By ruling out these commonly used frequencies, the Rook is not nearly as susceptible to those kinds of false readings, making it a stronghold of quality evidence. It is, however, sensitive to magnetic and electronic frequencies, so you can easily track down sources of EMF leaks, which can have adverse effects to those exposed. This is the Rook. You turn it on. Now I will say, the reason it's going off is because I have a radio here, which is plugged in to a surge protector. And you can hear the sound. So yeah, pretty simple. A cool little device. On Ghost Stop, there's a link in my description. It is my referral link, so please consider using it as it supports the channel, but it's no additional charge to you when you shop the website. So yeah, that's the Rook. Definitely consider picking one up if you like these kind of devices. I like that it makes the sound. And yeah, Ghost Stop. Check it out.